Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will unbox review Android head unit for special for Jeep, Wrangler, Dodge, Chrysler. Okay. This is box. Let me open the box. Honeys. Head unit. Okay, this is head unit. Okay, single DIN. Okay, let me show the honeys. This is special honeys, come with canvas box. Okay, honeys and the canvas box, GPS antenna. And the radio adapter. Okay. Two USB cable and the external microphone. It's audio cable. AUX cable. External microphone. Camera cable, camera in. Okay. Let me open the head unit. Okay. Drive agent. You can check. This is 7-inch special for warranty. side. Back. This is radio, Wi-Fi antenna, GPS. This power cable. These two screw ports. Okay. (7" 是 AUX USB， 卡的 SD 卡的，跟 power cable。The unit will be started. You can take out this screw protector before using. This 7" special, this UI, and you can install wallpaper from OEM. Okay, already installed this wallpaper, and you can change the button lights settings, car elements. You can choose red, green, blue, yellow. Also can adjust with this panel. Okay. This back button. It's built-in Wi-Fi. Let me check the system. You can check the Pix5 octa-core. Android version is 8.0 Oreo. Okay. It's home button. It's built in Google Play Store. Also, you can run its RPS screen, its microphone card, AUX, USB. Okay, if you have any more questions, you can contact Belsee. You can visit belsee.com to contact to us. Okay, thank you.